All right, what's happening, everyone? Welcome to our next video. This is a very quick shootout style comparison video. We're really not trying to prove one is better than another, but we want to show you two very different guitars and two very different pickups in these guitars. So I'll go first, and then we can see what you got in there. This is a late 90s PRS Custom 24, and I'm going to be playing some distorted tones on the neck humbucker, and this is the blender.
Yeah, and I've got here a Hinnant Guitars Paradox is what this model is called, and I'm going to be in the bridge position and with an Anthem Plus.
Okay. Sweet. Well, let's check it out. Let us know what you think in the comments.